Alright guys, today's workout is a Fight Gone Bad style workout. That means we're going to work for 1 minute for each one of the movements that we're going to perform, and then we're going to rest after we've completed all of the movements. And we're going to complete 4 rounds of that. So today's movements, we have double unders, dumbbell devil's presses, ab wheel rollouts, and speed step jump rope. The intent for this workout is to work hard for the entire minute and get as many reps as possible for each one of these movements. We're going to work for 4 minutes and then we're going to rest for 1. Rounds 2, 3, and 4, we're looking to try and match the same number that you did or even get better. So see if you can work even harder for that second, third, and fourth round. All right, let's talk about the movements. 1 minute of double unders. Going to do as many double unders as you can in that minute. A couple of things to think about in the double under: relaxed arms, slightly bent elbows, hands in your peripheral vision, so slightly in front of your body as opposed to right next to your hips. Breathing, controlling your breathing, get into a cadence of that breathing. Maybe it's 3 or 4 jumps, you are inhaling. 3 or 4 jumps, you're exhaling. Get into a good cadence, keep your breathing slow and controlled. Relax your arms, jump, point your toes to the ground. If we need to scale the double unders, we can scale it to penguin jumps. Jump. At the very top of the jump, right before you start to come down, we're going to quickly clap our hands on our hips 2 times. That's going to work on your timing for the double unders. And again, on this movement, continue to think about your breathing. Get into that cadence. And if that's not going to work for you, you could do single unders. Devil's press. Get up again, dumbbells on the ground, hands on the dumbbells, kick your feet back into a plank position, lower your chest down, do a push-up, kick your feet back to the front position, raising the hips and shoulders, use the hips to drive forward to help assist those weights to get guided directly overhead. Press it out to lock at the top, and then control it on the way back down for the next rep. Ab wheel rollouts. You're going to begin this movement on your knees with your hands on the ab wheel. As we start to drive the hips forward, that wheel is rolling forward. We want to fully extend the hips first. We want to try and keep that wheel slightly in front of your shoulders as you drive your hips forward to a full extension of the hip. At that point, you may continue to push the wheel out away from your body, lowering your chest all the way down to the ground, and then press that wheel back, press it down, pulling your arms in, continuing to keep your hips fully locked out until that wheel is back to where it is just slightly in front of your shoulders. And then you can break at the hips and bring it back to that starting position. This is a tough movement. So if you get to the point where your back begins to lose stability, then limit your range on that ab wheel rollout. You don't necessarily have to go all the way out. If you have that ability to maintain your stability in your back, a nice straight, strong back, and fully extend your arms until you're laid out fully, and then pull it back in, great. If you don't have the ability to maintain that strong core, then only go as far as you are able to maintain that strong core and then pull it back in. But most importantly, extend the hips first and then extend the arms, pull the arms back in, and then break at the hips. And for the speed step jump rope, we're only counting a rep every time your right foot hits the ground. So this is running jump rope, running in place. Every time your right foot hits the ground, you count that as a rep. 4 rounds of this, guys. So working for a minute of double unders, a minute of devil presses, a minute of ab wheel rollouts, and a minute of speed step jump rope. Then we get to rest for 1 minute. We're doing 4 total rounds of that. All right, guys, get after it.